Hello and welcome back. Project Dhyan is back with another video to help you safeguard yourself from the deadly heat waves. This video is a continuation of our management plan video. Today we will discuss the phase-wise management actions that can be taken to safeguard ourselves from heat waves. So sit back and learn with us. Phase 1. Mapping vulnerable areas in Delhi. The first step would be to map current vulnerable areas and to check if there are any activities to address heat waves. The temperature trends need to be analyzed for Delhi, and it needs to be observed that which places are showing an increasing trend in temperature and that needs to be reported. After observing that, the vulnerable regions need to be identified. The reasons behind certain regions being more vulnerable need to be assessed. After identification of regions, the population residing in that region, socio-economic background, health status quo needs to be studied. After this, assessment of magnitude of heat waves related to morbidity and mortality in Delhi has to be done. Secondary data can be collected from available literature, research publications, newspaper articles, and other government records. Phase 2. Determination of threshold values, thermo-hygrometric index for heat wave related adverse health outcomes, and expect IMD to develop an early warning system based on threshold values. With the help of IMD, data on weather and climate that includes temperature, relative humidity, rainfall, wind velocity, air pollution, etc. will be collected. The heat action plan will depend on early warnings for extreme heat. IMD can set up alert mechanism and pathways for early warning communication to the community and media. Based on the data gathered from different sources and after its analysis, a model can be planned and prepared which will help in better facility preparedness for addressing heat wave related deaths. Phase 3. Community vulnerability assessment to identify the most vulnerable sections of society to heat waves and suggest alternate contextual models for resilience building. It is very essential to conduct surveys so that vulnerable communities can be mapped. Through the survey, heat susceptibility, current heat stress, knowledge, heat exposure adaptation, having access to resources amongst slum communities, outdoor workers, etc. will be collected. Phase 4. Implementation of Heat Action Plan, alternate livelihood strategies for vulnerable population and incorporation of stakeholders for the effective working of the plan. The Heat Action Plan will be implemented with the special focus given on vulnerable communities and women. Proper precautionary measures will be worked on to prevent heat-related mortality and morbidity. Different types of training needs to be given to officers so that they work effectively to carry out the plan. Phase 5. Review and add new ideas to Heat Action Plan annually and evaluate its implementation. Both process and outcome will be evaluated. Feasibility and effectiveness will be examined. If needed, new changes would be incorporated for better implementation of the plan. By following this basic work plan, an effective heat action plan can be developed for Delhi and to a large extent project the vulnerable communities. We hope that this plan is useful in providing relief during a heat wave. We will be back with another video to share the measures that can be taken on an individual level to save ourselves from the deadly disaster. Till then, stay tuned.